Talk family and good people of Earth. I am Charles of CJ Images, and today we're using Mylar. Yeah. So, how y'all doing? Y'all straight? Having a good day? Glad you're having a good day. I actually don't know what I'm doing today. Everything's a test. Well, this is a continuation of a test, so it's all the same thing, but we're gonna get this done. Today we're shooting with a model here. Her name is Chantel. Say hi for the she's right there. I don't know why it's still focusing on me. I don't know. But she has this whole bluish thing. What is this for? What is this? Aqua
photo shoot. Aquarius theme photo shoot.
They here talking about stars and stripes and shapes and what I'm making fun of everybody. But I don't know anything about zodiac signs, that's why I'm saying that. But it's a Aquarius style photo shoot with a hint of wind dragon energy, something like that.
What?
But it's dope. It's blue on blue. Then there's a yellow on blue as well. On top of this Mylar. This is like photographer's aluminum foil. It's not actually aluminum foil, but it's kind of like photographer's aluminum foil, which is kind of funny because I've never used this before, and then I found a secret way to do it before I showed up today. So like, hopefully, I don't know. You'll see the details sometime. So don't hold me to nothing, but let's do something. So this is Chantel. She's over there now. So when she steps in frame, you'll see who Chantel is. So we're just gonna wait.
Oh, here's my phone. For music? Change it. Hey guys.
You're looking right here, by the way, because I saw you.
Sorry. Hey guys. Oh, don't step on the dress. How you doing? My name is Chantel. I am a model, dancer, actress, creative director, and stylist. And you can find me Instagram_IEmpress. That's IEMPRESS.
I'm gonna spell all that out in screen so they just gonna see it. You just gotta give your whole. You just gave your whole rap album rundown. Then you just. You know what I'm saying? My name is CJ from CJ Images. About that action. You know what I'm saying? Photographer life, camera life, Canon gang. No, I'm still. Everybody does my job for me. It's crazy. So yeah, you'll probably see some of the photos pop up at the end of the screen, or now, I don't remember. If you want to follow me on social media, just follow all of my links. They're in the description of this video. TikTok, Instagram, and I have merch now as well. So if you see any of that stuff and you want to check it out, just they're in the links in the description. I said that like 12 times already, or twice. I don't remember, but take out your camera and keep on clicking. Until next time, bye.